million abandoned mansion that used to be owned by a drug dealer.
8 Bahamian men are in U.S. custody tonight facing drug-related charges.
Major cocaine trafficker in the Bahamas. Major trafficker.
An alleged drug lord is spending his first evening behind bars in a U.S. prison along with his co-accused.
He had bodyguards. He had people that checked parking lots before he would come into a parking lot.
The extradition goes down as the largest in the history of the Bahamas.
Let's get into it. As you guys can see, this place is absolutely destroyed. The whole entire roof caved in. It's probably really dangerous to go in there, but I'm a little bit curious, so I guess we're gonna have to find out where this leads to. Holding the DSLR and trying to get stable video footage is gonna be definitely difficult, so this part of the video will be a bit shaky and reckless. Whoa. So the whole entire room in here is absolutely destroyed. In order for me to get to the upstairs floor, I'm gonna have to climb all over these debris. Hopefully the floor is more stable than obviously this room seemed to be, because the entire floor is here. Alright, so this is definitely filled with nails.
Don't get hurt.
But hopefully I won't need a tetanus shot. The floor up here is absolutely rotted out. Alright, so there's the decay, and I am now on the second floor up here. I'm in the old kitchen. This place is demolished. It looked like a kitchen fire just took down the whole entire place. You know, it's amazing when you get to an abandoned place and you get to see how everything is so preserved, but here it was just like a million hurricanes just tarnished this place. There is a broken staircase here, but I'm determined to get to the top of this place. Let's just hope that nothing breaks before I get up here. That staircase was absolutely deadly. I am now at the top of this abandoned mansion. So it is absolutely insane in here. It's completely demolished, and that staircase was really sketchy. A couple of my friends that came with me, they're waiting outside for me, so I have to end this video quite shortly. But we'll go ahead and check out this last glimpse of the final room, and we'll get an idea what it is like to see a demolished ex-drug dealer's mansion. I have to walk really carefully because at any moment, look at this. Alright, so everything is definitely out of order up here. I think it might be time to start heading back down there now. Whoa, back down, here we go. Broken bit, up it, no, ah! Oh, fuck. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna exit this way. I just came down this staircase here. As you can see the destruction. I exited this way, which is not exactly an exit, so I guess we're still looking. Whoa. Whoa. I guess this is the old path in order to exit over here, so we'll just go this way right here. Wow, that was definitely an amazing place right there. I'm back in the car now, but I don't know where my friends are, so I guess we have to go back in the mansion and see where they are. That was pretty easy. They're doing some photography over there. Alright guys, that there ends the video. If you guys enjoyed, remember, no plans are the best plans. I'm just somebody. Thank you so much for watching my abandoned mansion video in the Bahamas, and don't forget to subscribe for the next adventure.